The next item in our training video list is going to be how to edit the division category pages. So Contractor Direct, Bridgewell Connect, Bridgewell Mats, not the actual subpages underneath the product service pages. It is pretty similar to updating those product and service pages, but where to find them and the fields available are just a little bit different. So as previous, if you're already on the page that you want, there is this Edit Category button right up here that will allow you to go directly to it. Otherwise, if you go to Services and Service Categories underneath it, you can see all of the service categories listed out here. There are a couple of pages that are here that you do not show in the navigation on the front end. These are pretty much just Google campaign pages that allow people to be directed to views of products that are very tightly related. So in this case, all of the railroad bridge ties and bridge timbers and such. Uh, Same thing with the utility poles. You know, we don't want to send somebody who's looking for utility poles directly to utility and construction, which has a lot of unrelated products. This allows us to send them to a page that has a more focused grouping of anything for light poles and utility poles, all grouped together. The reason I point that out is, if you change the name or anything of this parent page that it comes underneath, you run the risk of changing the link for that page and breaking your campaign. So just be careful in terms of updating what these pages are called, and we can assist you with that. In any case, we'll just go ahead and use Bridgewell Mats as the example here, and we will open up the front end in another tab here. So you can see here that the category SEO title right here is what is used for the H1, the main headline on the page. Again, that has SEO tagging properties to it. This text block right here is what appears directly underneath that. As noted in the previous video, I'm going to make a separate video on how these phone number and email and call rail fields work. I wouldn't suggest editing those. Let's just keep one person on your team who manages those. Otherwise, please reach out to us for assistance with that. And then otherwise, what shows up on this page is really dictated by the excerpt, picture, and whether or not that category has been selected. So all of these individual pages, that's where these images, etc., are controlled from. So on the Crane Mats page, there's a featured image. That's where this title would be controlled. This excerpt would be controlled. And simply designating it as part of the Bridgewell Mats category is what means it shows up here rather than somewhere else. So much simplified compared to the other pages. Again, here's the name, here's the text on the page, here is the main headline. Yeah, phone numbers, etc. will be covered in another video. And that's really all that there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions.